What's up, my sweeties? It's TeeElle and I'm back with another one. If you're on YouTube, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click that bell. If you're on Facebook, go ahead and like my page and follow my page as well. Come on and join the fun, y'all. So I'm back with another Dollartree DIY Valentine's Day project. So if you guys have not seen my video from yesterday, go ahead and watch that video because today I'm doing my second candy. This one is for my son. Yesterday was for my daughter. They're so stinking cute. I can't wait till you see this one. So let me get started. I got poster board, Dollartree, of course. Everything's from Dollartree. I have this gold tablecloth. I have ribbon. It's tan with little hearts and stuff on there. I have his candies. So I have suckers, Airheads, Kit Kats. I have this cute little froggy, chocolate froggy, Swedish fish, hearts. And like I said yesterday in my other video, I usually make them their own separate little baskets, but I also make a centerpiece for just the whole house candy and all kind of stuff, good stuff, Reese cups and all that type of stuff. So we're going to get started with this project. Like I said, comment down below and let me know how you like it. Make sure you liked, followed, subscribed, all that good stuff. Let's get it. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my tape ready. Of course, I have tape and scissors. So you just need the poster board, tablecloth, tape, scissors, ribbon if you choose, and candy, okay? So let me get my tape ready because what I'm gonna do is I'm going to roll my poster board up. So let's get the rolling. And I wanna make sure my opening for my poster board is big enough that I can fit my candies in here. So that fits. If that fits, then everything else will fit. So once you have it rolled up, you just want to double check again, and then you're going to tape the poster board closed. Okay, so I have my poster board taped all the way down. Choose an end, it doesn't matter. And we're gonna cut slits around the poster board, okay? So just like so, watch this. Like that. And you just wanna keep going all around. That's how it's looking there. Okay, you see that? You wanna do that all the way around the poster board.
Another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do if I told you you were beautiful?
What I'm going to do now is I'm going to fold them all in and tape them closed.
Would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amazing.
Okay, so I have this end taped closed, and what you want to do now is put your candy inside. Now that we have our candy inside, I'm going to do the same thing to this side that I did to this one. I'm going to put slits in it and tape it shut.
Crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote. What would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the
Okay,
one?
sweeties, so now that I have both ends sealed shut, it's time to get our tablecloth and wrap this
baby up.
I'm gonna open it long ways. Let's get this in here so we can kind of measure how much space we want on the sides. Okay, I'm going to put a little more on this end only because you can always cut it if you don't need it. But I just want to make sure I have enough to make it look cute the way I want it to look. So now that we have this long ways, measure this side, see how much you want left over here. Let's scoot this over so you guys can see, and cut. Okay, and you still have this tablecloth left to use in case you want to make another one, or you can save it for another DIY project. Okay, so now we are going to open up 2 pieces of our tablecloth and lay them back, and we're left with one side like this, okay? So on the inside, we're going to place our candy. We're going to fold this side over and put a piece of tape just to secure it. Now that that is taped, I'm going to just roll it up.
See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside.
Turn this over and tape it.
Till I scream for every and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby,
So now that I have my tablecloth taped onto my poster board all around, so that's how it looks. Amara, back up before you knock my camera over. I'm going to open up my ribbon and tie my sides closed.
And rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my feet, baby, baby, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, baby, then dip me underway. You can kill me on my foot, flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for every and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. And rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, baby. And reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, baby. But you can't get
So here's how my candy is looking so far. Now, this is optional, but I'm going to take my ribbon and swirl it around the entire candy. For this, you're probably going to need your hot glue gun if you do have one. Like I said, this is optional. You can also use the stickers. I have leftover stickers here from Dollartree for my project from yesterday. So you can also use the stickers just to put all around your candy. But I think that I am in the mood to just kind of go around the entire candy with it. I think that's super cute. Like that. And just keep going. Hot glue gun is optional, but for this I'm going to use tape. Since I already have tape on the back of my candy anyways, it's transparent, but it's there. I'm going to start my ribbon there and tape as I go around, and use tape only on the back where I have tape at already. And I probably could use some more down there, but I'll just stick this down here. Okay, so here is my second candy, and I hope you guys really like it. I think it's super cute as well. I'm going to show you guys the one I made yesterday too, so you can see them together. But before I do that, make sure you guys on YouTube give this video a fat thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Click the bell so you're notified each and every time I post a video. Comment down below what you think, if you plan on doing this for Valentine's Day. Also, if you're on Facebook, go ahead and give this video a fat thumbs up. Comment down below, like my page, and follow my page. So let me show you guys both projects together. So here are both of my candies. This one is for my daughter Amara, for my son Amir. And I know they're really going to love these big candies that mommy made for them, but they're going to love the candy inside even more. But this is such a cute idea. Super, super duper affordable. It's at Dollartree. $1.25 tree. But it's inexpensive, like I said. Fun, cute, quick, easy, all of the above. So if you guys plan on making these projects, go ahead and let me know. Also, if you do make it, post a picture in my DM on Instagram or on Facebook, on my Facebook page, LifeAsTeeElle. All of my social media names will be in the intro and outro of this video. So I'm so excited for them to see this stuff on Valentine's Day in 4 days. So I just want to thank you all again so much for tuning in to LifeAsTeeElle. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.